Welcome to Kinematics and Dynamics Laboratory. The first experiment that we are going to see is the whirling of shaft apparatus. Okay. Here we have the apparatus and here we have the specifications for the whirling of shaft experiments. These are the specifications given by the machine maker. Now let's start the apparatus. Here we have the switch. Right, and one more switch we have here at the bottom. We are switching on the device. See, what you are seeing here is the motor which is connected to the shaft. Right, this whirling of shaft apparatus, it can be used as a prototype or model testing for the shaft which is seen in the vehicles. Right, we have a similar type of setup here. You might have noticed in the lorries, right, the shaft rotates under the lorries. The same setup we have here. We are switching on the device here, and here we have the speedometer setup. Right, when we adjust the speedometer as a result of the electrical current, the shaft, it starts to rotate. Right, here the shaft starts to rotate. The speed is increased here until we notice a node formation here. Here you can notice a node is formed at the center. Here you can see a wobbling type of movement. This indicates that the node is formed at the center. As soon as the node is formed, this is the moment where we want to take the critical speed of the sheet. For taking the speed, we are using the digital tachometer device. We are just focusing the digital tachometer device on the shaft. Right, we are getting around 201.9. right, this is the reading that the shaft is rotating 201.9 rpm. right, 209.1 rpm. The speed is noted and the calculations is done here. The reading is noted here, the speed is noted here. This is the theoretical speed of the shaft, and here is the practical speed of the shaft, and the calculation is done using this formula, and the result is taken for the experiment. So what we have seen now is the whirling of shaft apparatus without any load, that is under the no load condition. Right, the second condition is that we are going to add a load to this shaft. Right, we are going to remove this shaft. We are going to remove this shaft with the help of this Allen key, and we are going to fit this load to the shaft, and the same process is repeated. Right? The same process is repeated, and the critical speed of the shaft is noted using the tachometer.